Is it a BBL? Is it considered a BBL?
Yes.
So there you go. Okay, so I was right the whole time.
Aki lunch for my husband. Hey, 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 hey. Dale gas. Hey, 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 hey. Hey.
Good morning, guys. Today is the big day. This is my outfit of the day. I have my little jammies. I got a little two-piece jammy. I know a lot of people told me to get just the gowns and to avoid the pants because the last thing I want to do is this. To put on my pants. But when I was looking at the forums, they were saying like two-piece. I got my little pantuflas that we got at the Ross last time. These are so much comfortable than the ones that flew over at the Pino.
Fuck these chanclas.
Oh my god. Absolutely not. But I'm ready. Chochi did my hair. I'm not gonna keep my earrings on, but I feel like since I already don't have lashes on and then no earrings on, like who is this? They're not gonna recognize me. They're not gonna allow me inside. My backpack is fully stuffed with my Togos because I'm gonna stay the night there. I got all my essentials in here. My teas, my arnica, everything that I need to take in here. So I'm ready. My appointment is at 6:30. It is 5:50, guys. So let's go.
Let's roll.
Let's roll. We gotta go. And I'm gonna stay the night there. So Jose and Chochi are in charge of making sure all of this is set up for when I get back. And they have all of the things in the fridge to feed me for my recovery. Cause I'm gonna come in like, excuse me guys.
Hi.
Excuse me. Big bump coming in.
Your butt's gonna walk in 5 minutes after you.
Since Jose keeps saying her BBL.
It's a BBL.
Tomorrow it's
Isn't it a BBL?
I thought it was. Are you not getting a mommy makeover? That's what it is.
a mommy makeover includes breasts too.
Well, this is half a mommy makeover. Go on ahead.
Look, let's use Chochi's ass as an example. You see these little
You need a BBL and Johnson needs an ass reduction.
You see these? You see my sister's big booty? Okay, so we come from a big booty family.
Stop the cap.
We do. And
we also come from a hip dip family.
Yeah, we have a little hip dip right here. So all I need is for them to like
You fill it in?
So you're just getting your hips filled.
Yeah, like I'm just getting like.
So you're not getting a BBL.
That's what I'm fucking saying. But it is fat. That's what I'm saying. I'm getting fat transfer.
That's a BBL. They said when you're getting fat transfer from one part of your body to your ass.
Oh, I guess.
Well, I just googled
a
it.
little meat.
That's what it said.
A little mini BBL just to fill in the little hip dips that I have right here, and then I am getting a little ass lift, and then the rest I'm gonna make sure that I.
BBL, Brazilian butt lift.
Yeah, but
so you are getting a BBL.
That's what I'm trying to say. It is a BBL.
Let's go.
Mr. Tapia over here is making himself a delicious and scrumptious cup of liquid anxiety. Anda al 100, es más, anda limpiando the whole place. Nah, just kidding, guys. Yeah, he wasn't being patient. He didn't wait. Removed this cup before it was full, and now there's.
No, you know how the other one, how the one at the house, how if you put 12 ounces, that's it. And this one just keeps going.
Because this one is different. We have Miss Choch right here. I have my little thing of water just waiting to get refilled with ice and cold water, but not right now. I've been fasting since the last time we spoke. Actually, it's already 6:30, so I have to go and register. It's already 6:30. The security guard told me to wait at exactly 6:30. But here we are, guys. And I'm gonna take you guys inside. I hope I can be in there, you know, like whenever they start sketching me up so you guys can see. We have arrived. The Labubu got some Labubis.
The most popular Nido. You know what that is, or are you too elderly for that?
It's the cube. And the only reason why I know is because I just saw a TikTok yesterday of a girl getting it removed at the airport, or else I would have been like, no, I don't.
This is the newest edition. As you can see, it comes in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. Is it the same size or no?
I don't know. I think it's different. Like one's saline, the other one's probably silicone.
Oh, probably. Yeah.
Anyways, guys, nos van a correr from here because
Liposuction of abdomen, back flanks, segmental, fat transfer to the buttocks, and circular tummy tuck.
Buttocks. So it is a BBL. Right. Is it a BBL? Is it considered a BBL?
Yes.
So there you go. Okay, so I was right the whole time.
It's considered a BBL.
There you go.
And then you're allergic to amoxicillin, and then Jose is your husband. He's all picking you up. And then this one is, your husband is responsible to provide the medication to us.
What the heck? Look at it.
What's
up with the size?
Boom! Sick ass food. That's what's up.
Wow, check out these underwear.
Oh my.
Period.
This
Why is it all crooked? It's all to the one side.
girl. I mean, Jose. I need a different pair.
I know, but it's just a side.
They
It's only covering one
There.
lip.
look.
We'll pull it down. So it at least cover both lips.
Remove that.
Excuse
It's
me.
so weird.
Period. You want me to close my eyes?
We're gonna be wiping everything.
And the bra too. Yeah, the bra too. Everything has to come off. Kind of see.
She's getting her rights violated.
So I'll put this in the bottom, okay? Okay, and then just put your arms like this. There you go. And then your hair to the back, sorry.
Oh,
Perfect. Oh, she's
Hi.
hello.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Sorry we're exposed. No, don't worry.
So you guys got here yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got here yesterday.
Okay, that's good. So upstairs is a recovery room, but that's where we have a room where we do all the before and after photos. All the content,
okay.
where I'm gonna take your photos, and then I'm gonna bring you back down where they're gonna put your ID.
Oh, okay. This is the recovery center, guys. Oh, did you
Cool.
throw me to with my camera?
Okay, babe, so I'm gonna have you stand on that, but before here, I'm gonna have you put this on.
Another pair of underwear.
This was actually the bra, but I have a thicker underwear. I know the other one is just like a little string. Yeah, they're really tiny. I don't know.
No, it's not even the tiny part. It's the fact that they're uneven. And like this part is loose and this part's tight. So it's like.
You go
there's
to one
wiggles.
side.
Let me step out so you can put it on real quick, okay?
Oh, hell.
Dang.
Wait, like this?
Yeah.
I don't have boobs, guys. It's just not even.
And then as you're turning, you kind of want to like start doing your arms like this sideways. And then tú no te tienes que mover. You're just going to stand and that thing's going to do its thing. Sorry, I wish I went faster, but we don't want nobody falling out.
So I pick up my arms?
Right there, uh-huh. And then put them down again. Okay, so for this one, we're just gonna do a video thing. I'm gonna do the same one, yeah, with your body done. So I don't know if you kind of want to be like, and kind of like point out, like, exactly. And then you're kind of gonna do like a sideways, a back one, just like that.
Period. I like that dress.
It's cute. All right, ready, girl? And go. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna do a photo. A little more out your arms. Right there. And then all the way up back one. Right there. Perfect, girl.
That's like in case you feel like farting, you just put that right there.
Oh no, this is cold. This is hotter. In case I'm cold, because I heard that whenever you come out, you're gonna be cold. I'm getting nervous.
Now you're getting nervous?
Yes, I don't want to be nervous.
Is it hitting you now?
Yes. Oh, it's because she says Jehovah. Because she's Jehovah. She's a Jehovah Witness. So she says Jehovah instead of like God, Jesus.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, in your words, tell me what
We are snatching me up.
what does that entail?
That is, we're getting rid of this.
Okay, which is?
My fupa, my overhang stomach, or not stomach, my overhang, the skin, the extra skin. We're also doing my back because we have a little rose back there.
Okay, but are we doing lipo?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where?
Okay, you're doing lipo here, here,
Mm-hmm.
back here,
Perfect. Okay.
here,
Okay. What else?
and you are putting the fat in my butt.
Okay.
So
And one more. What else?
Tummy tuck 360.
Perfect. Okay.
That was legend, by the way. I loved it. So, you need to do another one, but where she's all done up already.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to. That's gonna be my next craft.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Perfect.
How big is her ass gonna be? Like,
Oh my
just I don't know.
Huh?
How big is her ass gonna be? Like,
It's hard to tell. So basically, it's all in proportion to her body. It's gonna feel a little bigger earlier because it swells up, but it's gonna take about 6 to 8 weeks for that to come down to be like your.
oh, okay.
Let's use that.
Okay. Don't worry. He doesn't do which one.
You doing what?
And a lot of girls get scared. They're like, oh my god, I don't want my ass to be like that. But for girls who have their butt like that, they have to go through like 5 rounds of lipo.
Oh, okay.
There's like impossible to get in the first time. They actually, I suggest you put as much as you can in your butt because verás, a lot of it dies out, and then they feel flat. And if that happens, babe, you're gonna have to gain weight all over again to get fat to put in your butt. So I always recommend que te eche a little more because if anything, you could just kind of lose the weight than having to gain weight all over again and get a whole other lipo.
That's so easy for me. You just said those words and I already gained 5 pounds.
I like telling girls that because sí nos ha pasado, girl, where they don't listen and they only get a little bit y luego regresan like in like 2 months flat and they're like, I want a BBL, and we're like, well, you have no more fat. We have to lo sacamos todo. You have to gain weight all over again for us to, because it's your own fat. We can't inject anything else. All right, guys, I'll come back for you, okay?
Alright.
Bye, guys.
Bye, sister.
Next time you see me, I'll be snatched. Hello.
Hi.
My name's Andrew. I'm your nurse today.
Hi, Andrew.
6.5 hours later.
All right, guys. So the wife is out of surgery. How'd it go? 2 thumbs up. Rate the pain. I know you don't feel the.
Right now, my pain is like a 3 or 4. It's not that bad. It's just like a annoying ass pain.
And if you guys are wondering why she's levitating off the bed, she has a pillow.
It's her BBL.
Cause I really did think it was a BB.
My pain in my ass and my abs, cause they fix my muscles.
You're gonna work out with abs and everything. Huh?
And then my eye, I feel like I have like something.
Oh yeah, you have like a basura in your eye. Ew, that was the ugliest face ever. Go ahead and zoom in on that.
Hey.
Yeah, mama just came out of surgery. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay.
Why?
Cause I'm still anesthesia. I'm still like drowsy. And tell Natalie to clean her lens because their lens is so dirty. I just wanted to tell you, puppy, that I'm awake and I made it. Okay.
Joseph, mama cut off her stomach. What's her problem?
Mom, why you're wearing a face mask on you?
Because I don't want to get sick.
Let me see. What she get for lunch or dinner? What is this?
Mexican soup with papas, zanahoria, and zucchini, and then some
orange
crackers.
Is the medication still like is it going down?
Yeah, but
Are you starting to feel it?
My eyes still closed by themselves. My eyes literally closed by themselves, and I'll be like,
Anyway, I know.
but I can still hear you guys. But I just
Is the pain getting worse or
no, it still feels
the same?
The pain's on my ass. I don't feel the pain on my cut around me. And then my abs hurt because they fixed them. They like stitched them together. It feels like whenever you're doing crunches, like oh, it burns. That's what it feels like, but the burn doesn't go away. My eyes are closing by themselves. This eye has something.
And then right now we are ordering food so we can eat. We were planning on just going down and getting it, but so we're just gonna eat here, and then after this we're gonna go grocery shopping and then go to the Airbnb. All right, so our food just got here. We're getting some Chick-fil-A. We don't have this back home, so that's why we're getting it. Here's our drinks. What you get?
I got me a cute little chicken salad.
Oh dang! And I don't know what I got. It's a surprise.
You got a sandwich, I think.
No. And the wife is knocked out. So we're gonna eat. All right, it is gonna be 7 o'clock, and we have to get out of here.
They have to run some errands.
We have to go already because it's already gonna be 7 o'clock. We have to be out of here by that time.
Yeah, they have to run some errands. I have to go get my food for tomorrow. My chef behind.
Tell them what happened to your eye, cause
I don't know. Something's in there and it's bothering me.
yeah, she got something in her eye. I think it's oil, right? You thought it was oil?
It feels grainy.
Yeah, so they put a patch in her eye. Look at
That is the
Cyclops.
worst ankle. That is so mean.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Made it to Ralph's. We're gonna get some groceries real quick. I don't know what I'm recording, man. This thing is like everywhere. Johnson's in charge because I don't know.
Anyways, we have
You
a
got
grocery
the
list. Nana has a whole breakfast, lunch, and dinner plan, and we're gonna go grocery shopping so we could meal prep for her. We're gonna bell peppers and zucchinis and carrots and
Oh, shoot,
stop stealing. I can never take you anywhere, honey.
What do you have in your pocket? Take it out.
Take Jose out the hood, but the hood, you can't take the hood out Jose.
All right, guys, we got back. We just got back to the Airbnb, and we put away the groceries. We're gonna eat right now. Leftovers from yesterday. Was it yesterday?
It sure was.
And we're gonna call it a night, man, because we have to wake up early tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna pick up the wife at, what time are we leaving? Like 8:30? 8:30. So we're gonna eat and call it a day. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey, 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 dale gas. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah, hey.